Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do vermicelli or Semiya Kesari. This is easy to do, will melt in your mouth and will taste so good. For the recipe, we are going to take 1 cup of vermicelli, that is semiya. Fry this until it is slightly brown. Once done, add 2 cups of water. We are going to cook the semiya until it turns soft. Once the semiya turns soft, you can add 3/4 cup of sugar. Stir this continuously, the sugar will melt and the whole mixture will get thick again. If you want your kesari to be a little attractive, you can add food color. To this, add a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee for taste and aroma. Finally, let us add some fried nuts and raisins. Our vermicelli or the Semiya Kesari is ready. This will taste so good. Do give a try. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.